Go over batch reporting. So like all other reports, you'll select your filters by project, site, building, system, equipment, just like all other reports. You set your master filter over all of your reports to run. You can select your report to run. You can click on one of the ones that are already out here, or you can create a new one. These are named with whatever people create them under. So each one was just created by somebody. And then under each report, you have sub-reports. So a sub-report is a separate PDF report that will get ran, and this will stitch them together. So when you choose to organize by something like equipment, then when it gets ran, it will run the report by the equipment as its parent. So it will run each one of these reports per piece of equipment. Typically in a report, you probably should have equipment report first, so it matches your organized by, so it makes sense, but you don't have to. You can just organize by equipment, and it will take all the equipment under this filter and run each of these reports per piece of equipment. And then if combine reports is checked, it will stitch them together into one report. Customized batch report is a new feature that lets us select which sub-reports to include. So I can uncheck that and it'll just do the two that are checked. And then normally when it runs, it would run it against all equipment under that filter. So what we can do is we can turn off the equipment that came back and individually check the ones that we want. And then push run batch report. So as it says here, it'll be emailed to you when it's done. So it places the report out in Dropbox. Something to note is when they're stitched together, it's going to put them all in one PDF in Dropbox. If this is unchecked, it will create individual reports and place them into a folder inside of Dropbox. And that folder will be named the report name with a time date stamp on it. So each time you run a batch report, it'll have a unique timestamp, so you'll be able to tell which report it was that you ran. Thank you.